Mid-range Samsung devices haven't really ever piqued my attention, but that changes with this, the new Samsung Galaxy A7. Watch on to know why I am excited for the new A7, and here's everything you need to know about it. Let's go. As always, we'll spend some more time with this phone to see if it is an actual good phone overall or just a one-trick pony. So stay subscribed for our full review. Let's start with the display. This is a 6-inch infinity display with a full HD plus resolution with a Super AMOLED construction. The display is great, but the bezels around it are not. The back is also made up of glass and feels very premium. Yes, it is slippery, but is fairly durable and has survived all of my accidental drops. There's no fingerprint scanner on the back, as that resides in the power button on the side now. It takes a little getting used to but works very well. The cameras on this phone are a monster. This is a triple camera setup, a first for Samsung, with a primary f1.7 24 megapixel sensor, a secondary 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a third ultra wide angle camera with a whopping 120-degree field of view. Initial impressions, this is definitely a good camera with one of the best low light performances. The wide angle camera is also fun to use and can come in handy. Gonna test them extensively for the full review. Internally, this phone is powered by Samsung's Exynos 7885 chipset with either 4 or 6 gigs of RAM. I think this is equivalent to Snapdragon's 600 series processors. The phone runs on Samsung's Experience 9.0 over Android Oreo. This is a fairly heavy skin, especially for those coming from phones from other manufacturers. All the ports are on the bottom, including this micro USB connector, while the volume rockers move to the top of the right edge. The phone is priced at 23,990 rupees for the base variant and 28,990 rupees for double the storage and more RAM. This is one of the best priced Samsung mid-rangers in a long time. So why this phone is exciting for us is because Samsung is known to experiment with features on its A series and later bring them on to its flagships, which could very well mean that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 could have 3 cameras as well. So stay tuned for a full review coming in the next few days. Thanks for watching.